Hello guys and welcome to Chitkara Learner. Today we are going to do a string in C. In last video what we have done is introduction and length. In part 1 we have done, okay. Now today we are going to do is, first we are going to do is palindrome. This is the important topic, palindrome in a string. Then we are going to do is sort the string in lexicographic order or a dictionary way. First I am going to tell what is palindrome. For example, you are having madam, M-A-D-A-M. When I reverse madam, it is again like madam only. This is palindrome. When I reverse anything and it remains same, that is called palindrome. Okay. Now sort the string in lexicographic order. Lexicographic order means like suppose we are having M-A-D-A-M madam. So it will sort like A-A-D and M-M. This is lexicographic, okay. This is input, this is output. Now you have to find the frequency of a character. Suppose you have enter madam, M-A-D-A-M. So it will give output M equals to 2, A equals to 2 and D equals to 1. This is frequency. Okay guys, this part is called frequency. Now we are going to do is like reverse. Reverse you already know. If we are having madam, so madam reverses madam, so it's a palindrome string. And anagram is checking between two strings that number of characters are same or not. Like suppose we are having Ram and Mara and Rama. Okay. You can see in both string number of A is 3, number of M is 1 and number of R is 1, and here number of A is 3, M 1 and R 1. So these both string are anagram. Okay, this is anagram. Now first we are going to do program of palindrome. Okay, पैलिंड्रोम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक और ये काफ़ी कंपनीज पूछती भी हैं प्लेसमेंट में भी कि पैलिंड्रोम का प्रोग्राम बना के दिखाओ. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर प्लेसमेंट एंड फॉर एग्जाम्स बोथ. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू टेक लाइक फर्स्ट आई शुड ड्रॉप दिस ऑल बिकॉज स्पेस इज लेस. Okay, first we are going to take a function, like name that function is palindrome, in which we are passing a character array. Earlier I told you what is character or character array is a string in C. Okay, now what we are going to do is int L. We are going to take a variable int L equals to 0. Okay, and you can take one more variable like int L you can take as a length. So what you have to do for length is strlen and then the name of the string. Okay, str, then -1 because 1 is for backslash, you already know. Then this is our length, then take int L2 equals to 0. Okay, this is done till here. Now what we have to do is like take while loop, while, and while define like L should be greater than L2. Okay, I will tell you after this whole program. And in this like write a if condition, if str of L2 plus plus, this is the array bracket, str of L2 plus plus equals to not equals to str of L plus L minus, sorry, because L is the length now, L minus. This is your condition. Okay, now what you have to do is in this like straight away printf like %s. Earlier I told you %s is used for string printing, is not palindrome. Okay, you can print like this and in end print str. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो और इसके बाद आप रिटर्न कर दो, क्योंकि बिकॉज इट्स अ वॉइड स्टेटमेंट सो सिंपल रिटर्न इज यूज्ड, not that return is used. Okay, after that close while loop and then printf. If the condition works and it doesn't return like back, then print s says %s is palindrome. Okay, then print str and then close this. Now I will explain you how this program works. Let me do it here. Suppose we are having a string madam, madam. Okay, the length is like 1 2 3 4 5 and backslash 0 also 6, so length it will take is 5. Okay, here is 0. Now in our first condition, L and L2 we are working on. L is 5 and L2 is 0. Then str of L2 plus plus, matlab str of L, it's m, it's compared with the end one, m is compared with the end one. Let me write here str of L2. Let me take more space, let me get more space so that we can have proper understanding of that program. L L1 and strl and then strl2. Okay, L is 5, str is 0, and on strl L there is m and strl2 there is also m. Okay, like L and L2 on 5. Now it's L2 minus minus, now it's 4, and L2 plus plus, now it's 1. Now check on 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, it's minus minus because 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it will start from 4, sorry, 4 then 3. 3 and 1, 3 and 1 both are having a, so condition is true. Then check on like str, like condition is also checked here, like L is 3 and it's 1, yeah, true. Then 2 and then, yeah, then 2 and that's plus plus 2. The condition is false right now, so it will not go inside, it will check till here and it will print like is palindrome. Let us take another example, the string which is not palindrome. Take example of Ram, not like Raman. Okay, we are having Raman and let us do like same as that, it is having like both 4. Okay, so it's 4 and 0, it's R and N. Straight away it will give this, come in this if loop, and this if loop will be, it is not a string, and then it will return. We are not returning value here because it's a void type. Okay, this is a simple program of palindrome. After palindrome we have to do is which program we have to do after palindrome is, let us do the anagram one. Now we have to do is anagram of 2 strings. Okay, suppose you are getting 2 strings, like take example char ch1 equals to take any example like Ram and char ch2 equals to arm. Okay, now what you have to do first is, first you have to take out the length of these two. like int n equals to strlench, int n2 equals to strlen ch2, ch1 and ch2. Okay, now you are having the length. I told you what is anagram. Like suppose we are having two like recitals and articles. Now count. Number of a in recitals is 1, number of r is like 1, in both it is 1, like number of c in both it's 1, like number of I in both it's 1, number of t it's both in 1. Basically the number of character in both are same, like you have Ram or Mar. In this, like they are jumbled, but you can see the characters are same. By using same character another string is formed. This is called anagram. So for anagram the length should be same. First condition we get is length should be same. If the length is not same, then if n not equals to n2, you can directly print and you can return like print here not anagram. Okay, not anagram, you can print directly and you can return it. It's a void type function we have taken, we have not defined like above, so it's a void type function. If it's true, so then go on write a for loop like int I equals to 0 and I is less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. Okay, go on for loop. You have to do is basically sorting of both the strings. Int j equals to I plus 1 and j less than, you can take n and j plus plus. Okay, j bracket starts from here. Now you have to do is if ch1 of I is greater than ch2 of j, then you have to like switch their values. Okay, like you have to take a t which is of char type equals to ch1 of I, swapping you have to do chi 1 dot I equals to ch2 of j and ch2 of j equals to temp, you have to do here. This is done for the first string. Now you have to do same thing for second string. If ch2 of I is greater than ch1 of j, you have to swap again. Char t equals to ch1 of j, ch2 of I and ch2 of I equals to ch1 of j, and then you have to do is ch1 of j equals to t. After this it will sort both of the strings, and now you have to check like character wise. Now again you have to do a for loop for int I equals to 0 and I is less than n and I plus plus. Now you have to write a if condition ch1 of I equal to ch2 of I, yeah, ch2 of I, ch2 of I not equals to, then it's not a printf, not anagram. Okay, this will print if it's not an anagram and return again otherwise like print here anagram. Okay, now we'll tell you how this program work. First you are having Ram and Arm. What it will do, it will check the length. Both are having length like 3 equals to 3. Yeah, it will store both. Okay, Now what you have to do is now come into the for loop and sort. It will this loop sort the first one. It will look like MAR, and it will sort the second string. It will look like AAM. Okay. Now after sorting both the strings, it will check the character is equal or not. In first, like we are having AMR, and in second is AAM. It will check the first character. Yeah, first character is equal. It will, when it will come to the second character and that character is not equal, then it will directly print that it is not anagram and it will return it. Okay guys, what we have done is first we have sort. पहले हमने sorting करी है दोनों strings की. sorting करने के बाद better है कि हम check कर सकते हैं words को, कि sort करने के बाद फिर हम words को check करें कि हाँ ये दोनों equal हैं या नहीं हैं. Okay guys, thank you. अब हम अगला प्रोग्राम करेंगे reverse. Now we are going to do is reverse a string. For reversing a string, there are two methods you can use. First is like you are having a string like char ch, you are having like reverse only. Okay, and here also you are having char ch reverse. Okay, you can do is find out the length first. Okay, length. Now you can do is like print string in a backward way, like int I equals to L minus 1, and I should be greater than equal to 0, and I minus minus, and you can directly printf, and you can print directly the string like %c character you are printing, so you can directly print the character ch of I. It will reverse it. Or other than this, you can use this like char ch2 and L. You can use another string, and in which you can store that character. Like you can use same for loop like int I equals to L minus 1, and I greater than equal to 0, and I minus minus. You can use the same loop, and you can like put those value like ch2. You can start with a equals to L. It is int a equals to L. You can divide here, and a equal to 0, sorry, and you can like a plus plus and ch equal to ch, a plus plus equal to ch of I, and then you can do is printf %s ch2. Okay guys, these two methods are there, and now I will tell you how these two methods will be working. First will is work like it will start from like obvious from last E S R E V E R. First it will store these character in this like reverse, and it will also print like E S R E V E R. Both will print in reverse order. Okay guys, what we are going to do is now is sorting a string in a lexicographic order. Okay, first you have to take input of a string. After taking input and after taking everything, now we have to perform a function. Okay, like you have to perform like take suppose input as a, like suppose you are already having a string of like characters, some characters. You are having a string like char ch, and you are having like 5 and 50. Okay, take 5 and 50, and this you have to store sort. And you can take another string also which is temp, which is of 50 words, because in each line you are storing the 50 words, 50 like alphabets, and 5 are lines, those. Okay, now what you have to do is first directly I am starting with the logic. You have to use a for loop for this, and I equals to 0 and I less than like 5, because you already know it's of 5 lines. So first you have to do for his line. Now you have to do for words. Okay, for int j equals to I plus 1, not for words, for like front one, like j less than 5 and j plus plus. Okay, now you have to sort it. So what you will do is you strcmp, like strcmp, you are checking with the first words of the string, like str of I comma str of j greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, like stri is like greater than str of j. So what you have to do is you have to copy the string strcpy is used to copy. First thing you have to copy like temp comma str of I, because str is greater, and strcpy you have to do same as the swapping one.